Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be on how I do my Pixie short wig slash wig review slash a little bit of a makeup tutorial. So this is like a 3-in-1. Just stay tuned guys. So the wig that I'm working with today is from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link to the hair in the info section, so if you're interested you can just check that out. The wig itself is beautiful. I like the hair. I love the quality of the hair. I love the lace as well. The lace looks so real, like it looks like my skin tone, so it's light. I like it. And also I like how the wig came like already cut, so I didn't have to do too much work to the wig itself. The wig has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also has adjustable straps. I did a little bit of measurement on my head. I did a little bit of cutting on my head, and I wanted to put it on my mannequin head and do the rest of the cutting because I didn't want to overcut the hair. So yes, I've already seen where my ears is supposed to be, where my because my mannequin head is very small, so I had to take the measurements before doing cutting it on the mannequin head. So as you can see, I'm spraying some water, and I also tried it on again and make sure that I did the cutting just like how I wanted to. So now it looks perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and style it again. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to do the finger waves. Guys, cross fingers. This is my first time doing a finger wave, so this was so hard for me. What I did was I sprayed some water, and I'm also using my mousse, and I also use my styling gel. So yes, and this wasn't, it wasn't easy, but at the same time it wasn't that bad. I think I did a good job. So right now I'm just using my comb to style. I don't know how to explain myself here, but I'm just using my comb to style the finger waves, to do the finger waves. If you want to watch a finger wave tutorial, you just Google it and then see how it's done. But this was like a freestyle thing that I was just trying it, and yeah, it came out good. I like it. I did finger waves on both sides, and I also went ahead and sprayed some got to be glue spray. I let it sit for the next day, and yeah, this is how it looks. It's dry now, so I went ahead to cut the lace, and I'm also going to use my got to be glue invisible, the invisible one. Sorry, I can't even talk today. The invisible one, and I'm going to use that to lay down the front and do my baby hairs and all that good stuff.
You wanna know? No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control. I'll show you the way to go. Now tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control.
So guys, whilst my hair is drying, I went ahead and did my makeup, and I just made sure to insert a clip of how I did my makeup because I didn't want anybody to leave it in the comment section that they want a tutorial. Yeah, and I like how it came out. So yeah, I'm going to leave all the details, all the makeup product that I used in this video. I'm going to leave it down below, so check it out in the description box. So guys, this is the finished installation and this is the finished makeup look, guys. This was very easy to achieve, especially the look. Very simple. So I love the hair as well. The only downside about the hair is the cap is very big for me, so it doesn't fit my head like how I want it to. I'm thinking the cap is like 23 inches. I am a big head friendly, so I don't know why this doesn't even fit, and my cornrow is not even braided all the way down, so imagine if it's braided all the way down. Apart from that, I really do love how they cut the back, and I love how they actually made the wig. So the hair itself is not full. I'm gonna say the hair is like 120 density, so if you are looking for something full, this is not for you. So yeah, I actually bought this wig because I read the review on Amazon and I found out that it was not full and I wanted something like that, so that is why I bought it. And because I was going for a style like this, you know, you'll be still cutting the hair, so you don't really need much hair for this style. So yes guys, we've come to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and also turn on your notification button for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed, stay safe, bye.